Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to apply for a tax extension online. Filing an extension gives you more time to prepare your federal income tax return, typically an additional 6 months. This is an automatic extension, meaning the IRS usually grants it when you file Form 4868. Remember, an extension to file is not an extension to pay any taxes owed. You should still estimate and pay your tax liability by the original deadline to avoid penalties. There are several convenient ways to file your tax extension online. You can use IRS Direct Pay to make an estimated tax payment, which automatically processes your extension. Alternatively, most tax software programs offer an easy option to e-file Form 4868. If you work with a tax professional, they can also submit the extension on your behalf, ensuring accuracy and compliance with IRS guidelines. While an extension provides extra time to file your return, it's crucial to remember it does not extend the time to pay any taxes you owe. You should estimate your tax liability and pay it by the original deadline to avoid potential penalties and interest. Also, be aware that state tax extension rules can vary significantly from federal guidelines, so check your state's specific requirements to ensure full compliance. After submitting your extension, always keep a confirmation for your records. This ensures you have proof of filing if any questions arise later. Remember to file your complete tax return before the extended deadline, which is typically 6 months from the original due date. For more helpful resources and deals, including a link to those darn tough socks, check out the description below this video.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.